All right, so here I am, 3 hours from home. Found this on Facebook Marketplace for 800 bucks. You know, it's got everything I need. I'm pretty sure it's still pewter. It's hard to say in this lighting. Shit, it better not be silver. But no, it's pewter. 800 bucks. It's got everything I need. It's got some flat tires. It's in an awkward spot, so I'm gonna have to come and hook up to it with my winch and hopefully get it on here, but we'll see what we can do. See if we can get it on here. All right, so I think I'll be able to get it up onto here. This is about perfect. I can't go any farther over this way or else it's not gonna make it here. And I can't go any farther over this way for obvious reasons, but perfect. Pretty perfect. This is probably how they got it here, but if that wasn't there, it'd be great. So hopefully the winch is working. It hasn't been used in a while. Let's get to it. All right, I'm in Orlando. It's like, you know, I don't know, 10:49 right now. And I did a little Wawa stop, so Wawa Pizza, and I grabbed these guys. I'm a big donut guy. Oh, look at that. Donuts, unsweet tea, Zephyr Hills water, and a second thing of donuts just in case, and a full Wawa pizza, you know? And not bad, I will say. Not bad for a gas station pizza on the go. Now I got my little office here. Cruise back home and get to working on this car in the morning. All right, well, she's home. CJ, what do you think? What do you think, CJ? It's home. Fresh pewter 4th gen. It's got a pinstripe on it. It almost has the same paint fade and chips as my old one had, which is hilarious. Obviously, it's not in great condition, but I would say it's good enough. Maybe eventually we'll wrap the car, but not right now, that's for sure. So shout out to this winch. You know, when I put this on, everybody said this location, this winch, this on aluminum, none of that will work. It pulled this thing out of a dusty parking lot with 4 flat tires. It was wedged in there, hardly moving. And pulled it right out up onto the trailer. So, yeah. Do with that what you will. So taillights, I'm a little bummed this one's missing its thing. And this one's broken, but I'm a little bummed about that, but it's not the end of the world. Better than what I got, I think. These wheels are absolutely horrendous. This, it has an amber light over there and a clear one here. So that's pretty funny. There's some wiring back there. I don't know what tires this. Yeah, I don't know how I'm getting it off because none of these tires look like they'll hold air. Yeah, pretty rough. Pretty rough. It's a V6 car. The guy said that there was parts in it if I needed anything. There's the intake. There's parts in there. Oh, there's a 5/16 right there. There's some bolts, some seats, T-tops. She's in bad shape, but for what I need of this car, perfectly fine with me. You know, we could use this quarter panel eventually. Unfortunately, the quarter panel is dented and scratched right there, but that's actually not that bad of a dent at all compared to what the other one's got on it. So, you know, maybe one day we'll get a little ambitious and do a quarter panel swap. Hood has a couple paint chips and one little spot of rust that's weird, but again, for 800 bucks, I'm pretty pleased with this. I think this will be good enough for us, but we'll see. We'll see what we can use and what we can't and whatnot, but I'm okay with that. What do you think, CJ? It's hot.
All right, it doesn't need much introduction what I'm doing here. I'm gonna pull the tree down. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna pull the F-body off of the trailer with the tree. And I don't know if the ramps will stay. I don't know how well this will work. But if it does work, I deserve like a PhD or something from a college of some sort, maybe MIT. But that ramp needs to be fixed, so once it starts inching back, I'll fix the ramp and we should be good. hell, look at that. Who would have thought?
It's a V6 car, of course. You can tell by the hood, and you can just tell by its all-around presence, the ominous presence. But the owner told me it could probably be working again if, like, you just put the head gaskets on. He was like, the guy that sold it to me said it just needed head gaskets and it could run. Brother. What? What? Good thing I'm just using it for parts. He told me it would run with a head gasket. Dog, what are you talking about? Look at the timing chain. Yeah, so safe to say it wouldn't have. So time to start taking some parts off this. I just need from like here forward, you know, I need some of this random stuff. Got it from a nice dusty field. Maybe that's a good yum. Mouse poop, maybe, whatever that is. Yum. Hunter's virus or whatever. There's the belt. That's convenient. It's got nice wheels, I was told. This is some fast turnaround. I dropped it off Wednesday, dropped off the head of it Fast Forward Wednesday, and now it's Friday picking it up. So they do this for everyone, guys.
Don't say that.
I'm just kidding. I got, you know, very lucky because there was a race coming and the bottom end wasn't hurt, and machine shop, all the worlds came together. Alpha's tuning a DDR. Then he's taping up my intake and exhaust for me. I'm gonna go get stuck on Skyway for a few hours. That'll be fun. And then I gotta go work on a car, so wish me luck. Yeah, I gotta break this one as well. So now if those come out, they're at least silver, the freeze plugs. So we'll see them easily on the track, because we never found two of them. All right, engine back in the shop, time to dress it, lower it back in the car. The windshield's already broken, so it doesn't even matter. Just toss it back in. Got some new tires for the back. New wheel is ordered. That should be here soon. And I wanted to address something. So people said, why don't you just drop it out the bottom? That would work great if the car was motor mounted in on the K-member. I could just drop the whole K-member, but the motor mounts here. So the front of it there, the back of it here. So, you know, dropping the K-member wouldn't actually do anything unless I had some kind of way to drop the K-member and then like cradle the engine and lower it like that, like a trans mount, but it just wouldn't, it wouldn't really kind of work like that. Like it would, I don't know, maybe I'm missing something. Maybe it would work somehow. I don't know. Maybe if I had like a A-frame style, you know, engine hoist, I could raise the car or something. I don't know. But yeah, it doesn't really work like that. So that's how it has to go up. It cannot go down. So yeah, that's to answer that question. But now I got to dress this. Most of that stuff has to go on: intake, exhaust, a couple other things, you know, minor dressing, and then back in the car. It is Friday and buggy, and my goal is to have this thing running Monday, like running, ready to drive type of thing. I might actually, I might have it just where I can drive it before I even get the other wheel or anything, just on these wheels and tires, and drive it around the neighborhood a little bit, see if anything's damaged too badly. You know, like if I drive it and everything feels okay, sounds okay, that's a good potential. But engine running, and then I can finish pulling apart the other car over there. So I started pulling it apart. There's a bunch of nuts and bolts already taken off the front end. Pulling off the front end's actually a pain in the ass, but should be good soon enough, hopefully. So probably this weekend I'll mix my time between these two, and yeah, that's about it. So wish me luck. it.